What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video, and in today's video I'm going to be covering 3 hacks that you can implement into your business, and they've literally doubled my income on Shopify. Now, they're 3 easy steps to follow that you can implement today in your business, and I'm going to cover them step by step throughout this video. Now, a lot of people are leaving a lot of money on the table when it comes to their Shopify stores. They're not optimizing everything and they're not squeezing every penny out of every customer. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly 3 things that you can do to counteract this. Now, if you like this video, leave it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, subscribe, and let's get into today's content. Okay, so the first way to double your income or sales on Shopify is to add in false variants here. So when the customer goes to select the type or like the color or the variant of the product, they get given options here. So as you can see, the default one is the option that is in stock. So it says white, 50% off, only a few left. And then the other variants, which is like blue or brown, it really depends on what the product is, says sold out fast. So if they select one of these, they'll see that it's sold out. And not only has it sold out, it also sold at the full price for $49.99. Whereas the one that's in stock, the white color, is just $24.99 with only a few left. So they think they're getting this epic deal. It also creates lots of realistic scarcity because they believe that all the other stock, all the other variants and colors and different types of the product have sold out already, and only this one remains. So if you think back to when you buy something online and you look, you always check all the different variants and types of the product before making your purchase. But if you only see that there's only like one type left and there's a huge deal for 50% off on that variant, and all the other stock is sold out at double the price, you're probably just going to impulse buy because you think you're getting this epic deal and there's lots of scarcity, so you just impulse buy there and then and make the purchase. Now, to implement this type of thing, what you want to do is go to the product section on your Shopify store, then go to all your products and select the product that you want to add in the false variants to. And then you want to scroll down to where it says variants here. And as you can see, here's the default variant. This is just like what happens when you import the product via Oberlo or Dropify. You'll get the normal variant for the product here. So for this pillow, there's only actually one type. It's just a white standard pillow. However, I'm going to add in some false variants to create the appearance that the store's really busy and that they're selling out on all the other variants of the product, and they've actually got this epic deal on this specific variant here. So what you want to do is just click on add variant here. And then you just want to put the color, put it something that's different to the standard variant. So something like blue, and then just put sold out fast, just to create that busyness in your store for the customer. Then you want to put the price at the full price, just to create the appearance that this product actually sold out at full price, and now you've got this epic deal on the remaining few items. And then you just want to put a SKU. You can just put a random thing in there, it doesn't matter, because obviously you're not going to be selling the product anyway. And then just click save here. You can also add in an image there as well. Just select your image just so an image pops up. And then you can just do the same thing again, click add variant again, and just do exactly the same thing but with a different variation or color. So just put something like brown, and then sold out fast. And then just put it at the full price again, and then obviously the SKU again down here. Just make sure the availability says 0 so it comes up as sold out on your Shopify store, and just click save here. And then obviously when we view it now on the Shopify store, when you first visit this page, it will be the default variant, the white one, which is in stock at 50% off. But if the customer wants to look around and see what other variants you've got, they'll see that you've already sold out on all the other colors. Now you can add in more colors here, obviously. I've just done it quickly in this video. And then when they click one, they'll see that it's sold out at the full price here. So they're obviously going to think, oh, I'll just go with this one. I'm getting a really good deal for this color here. And then they'll just impulse buy from your store. And the great thing about this type of scarcity is that it's completely free to use. It's also doesn't look spammy. It's not one of those apps that doesn't integrate well with your theme. It's just generally like realistic scarcity, and also it's not going to slow down the load speed of your website, because sometimes big bulky apps, third-party apps, can reduce the load speed of your store. So this is a great way to just ensure that you have a high load speed, and it's creating realistic scarcity, and it's completely free and easy to implement. Okay, so the next way to double your income on Shopify is to use an app called Luke's Photo Review. Now, I know I've recommended these before, however, a lot of people use this app completely wrong. What they do is they don't import enough reviews. So what they do, they'll just import like just a few reviews, like 4 reviews that don't even have images, and some of them don't even have text. So what you want to do is to import, literally I import over 100 reviews normally, all with image pictures, obviously 5-star, lots of text, make sure it's English writing and it is saying good things about the product. It doesn't mention things like AliExpress or anything like that. Now to do this, I'd advise getting the advanced plan of Luke's. So this is the plan I use here, which is $29.99 per month, and it basically enables you to import all the image reviews, all the 5-star reviews, and literally get hundreds of them onto your Shopify store product page. Because imagine if you're a customer and you see that this store's got literally hundreds of reviews, all like image reviews, good quality reviews, then they're much more likely to purchase than just having a few basic text reviews. I've tested loads of different review apps, and by far the one which converts the best is Luke's Reviews, and I always invest in this plan here. So once you've added lots of reviews to your store, image reviews, 5-star reviews, reviews with great text, it should look something like this. Now this is for a product which is like a massage pillow. It doesn't really matter what the product is, the same rules apply. Having good quality reviews will massively increase conversion rate. So as you can see, I've got so many 5-star reviews, each one basically just saying how good the product is in good English, so the customer can understand it. You can see customers using the product here adds so much social proof and value to your store, to your brand, to your product that you're selling. And as you can scroll down, you can even see show more reviews here, and there's just literally loads. There's probably about 100 here altogether. And imagine if the customer's on mobile, they're scrolling down for ages to just seeing hundreds of customers saying how great your product or service is on your store. So they're much more likely to make the purchase from your store instead of going to somewhere like Amazon or a competitor. Now I do have an affiliate link for Luke's Reviews app below this video, and with that link you'll get a 30-day free trial, because their default free trial is just 14 days. So by using the affiliate link below, you don't have to use it of course, but if you do use it, you do get a 30-day free trial for the app. So it's risk-free for 30 days essentially. Okay, so the final thing that doubled my income for my Shopify store is to add in a video and embed it at the bottom of each of your product pages. So what it is, it'll be a video like this. Now this store here is using a similar sort of strategy. So if we scroll down on their product page, what you'll see at the bottom, it'll have a video here, and it'll say, "Who are we?" And what it is essentially a woman basically speaking about their brand. So we just enlarge it here. And she's essentially just talking about their brand, like customer loyalty, how the shipping process works, and the fact that they source products from global suppliers and that they cut out the middleman, pass the savings on to the customer. So they're adding lots of value and trust to the customer by talking about all these things. And essentially these are just a drop shipping store. They've probably just hired this woman here to say all these things to make it look a lot more professional and to make their website much more trustworthy as opposed to their competitors, because 99.9% of other dropshippers just use a simple bullet point list. They don't use anything like this. They just have like a customer guarantee. However, a video like this instills much more confidence and trust in your customers, because they feel like they're engaging with a real person, with an actual employee of the company, and so they're much more likely to impulse buy from your store as opposed to just going to like Google or Amazon and looking for the product, because they trust you, they feel like they've engaged and they've built a rapport or relationship with you by adding a video like this to your store. So in order to add this to your store, what you want to do is head over to Fiverr and search video spokesperson here. Then once this comes up, you'll see lots of different options, like women in like warehouses and office buildings talking about your brand and stuff. So you need to work out what type of video you want, what will work best with your brand or business or dropshipping store, and essentially write out the script. So make sure you include every possible concern that your customer may have about shipping, deliveries, like your customer guarantees, refund policies, everything about that. You want to script it all out and then send the script to one of these video spokespeople, and you can literally get it done for like $30-40, and they'll essentially create the video, a really high quality video for you, and then send you the file. Then once they've sent you the video file of them speaking about your brand, what you want to do is host this video on like a third-party provider such as YouTube or Vimeo. Then once you've done that, you then need to add the file code into the template of your store. So you may need to get a developer to do this. It's literally cost about $5 to get a developer to do this for you, so that it shows up on every product page on your store by default. So rather than manually adding it to every product page, what you want to do is just embed it in the template theme of your store. And you can even take it one step further and add it to the cart page of your store, so the customer trusts your store throughout the entire funnel. That's it for today, guys. I hope you've enjoyed today's video, and I hope you implement the 3 things that I've spoke about in this video to really optimize your Shopify store and to make much more money out of each customer that comes through your store. Now, if you like this video, leave it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell if you're new here, so you know exactly when my next videos are coming out, and I'll see you very soon in the next video.